The topic of today's video is how to receive Bitcoin to Coinbase using the Lightning Network. Now, please note that I'm only covering the Coinbase side of this because wallets are so vast. The way you do it in your wallet may be different to mine. So here is how we do it from the Coinbase side. We want to click on the pie chart on the bottom left here. In here, we want to click on transfer. Then we're going to click on receive crypto. We'll choose Bitcoin and then we'll choose Lightning. Now we'll click continue over here. And now it's just going to give you a brief overview of what Lightning is and how it works. So you can just keep pressing on the arrows until you get to close. In here, we need to type in the amount of BTC we want to send. And then we can click on create invoice. From here, you can read this first and then click I understand. And then we're going to copy our Lightning invoice and we can copy it over to whichever wallet we are using. Remember, this wallet must support Lightning. And that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to read all of the instructions before you continue with anything. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Do also please remember that this is not any type of financial advice. This video is solely for entertainment purposes.